Why does it matter if my home's crawl space is damp? It's not like I live in that space. Stay tuned to hear why you should get water and moisture out of your crawl space now. Hi, I'm Nolan Berry and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. In this video, I'll explain how to avoid costly repairs, why protect your home's interior structure, and why mold puts your health at risk. Before we go further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. While water by itself is not dangerous to stand in your basement or your crawl space, it's what that water creates is what is costly and dangerous for your home. It starts with biological growth growing on your walls and on the subfloor of your home, which then can spread to the rest of your home. And then from there, you get a lot of wood rot. So this starts to rot out your floor joists, your main beams, starts to break down your foundation walls and the structure of your home. And all of that can just continue to add up in costly repairs as that's allowed to continue and get worse and worse for your home. So once that moisture starts to break down those wood components of your home, your floor joists, your main beams, those kind of things, you start to see sagging floors, cracks in your drywalls, doors not opening or shutting correctly, toilets starting to lean, showers draining the wrong direction. And all of these concerns can be tracked back to just simply moisture intrusion in your crawl space or your basement. Like I said, one of those first things that can be created when you have a lot of moisture in your crawl space or your basement is biological growth. Now, this comes in many different stages varying from risk levels. At the very beginning, if you have asthma or small children, this can cause extra sneezing or just extra aggravation to seasonal allergies and can grow from there on the risks. And so it's important to not only treat that biological growth, but treat the cause, which is many times just simply water standing in your crawl space or basement or a tremendous amount of moisture coming into those spaces. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about moisture in your home? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.